Hey there, it's Crafty Jennabug. I'm finally going to finish these wooden earring blanks that I did paint pours on. I need to sand the backs and seal them. So that's what we're gonna do. I've got two different grits of sandpaper here. I've got two different grits of sandpaper here. I've got a coarse and a finer, and I'm just gonna see what happens. I've just filed it smooth. There was a raised edge where the paint had pooled when it was sitting on top of a cup. And I think I'm just going to paint the back of it black. So I'm going to seal the front. When it's done, when it's dried, I'm going to paint the back black. That way it's just nice and uniform and I don't have to worry about trying to sand all of this paint off. That's what I'm going to do for this one also. This one doesn't have as much raised. Right, focus on my hand. I'm going to do the same for this one. It doesn't have as much of a raised edge, just has a little bit here. And here. Okay, so that one's done. Those just need to be sealed and the back's painted. These, however, have a bit more paint pooled, so hopefully those come off. All right, now to set them up to be sealed. All right, I'm gonna let those dry. I'm gonna do a second coat and then let them rest for a day, a full 24 hours before I start painting the backs. And then once the backs are painted and dried, I will seal the backs. All right, we're gonna paint these. I'm gonna use some black paint. I'm going to use some black acrylic paint. Alright, just gonna let those dry and then I'll seal them. Alright, these are completely sealed, front and back, and dry. There is still some texture on the back where I couldn't necessarily get it all sanded off without damaging the wood, so that's what it's going to look like on the back. Let's get them reassembled and then they'll be ready for whatever comes next. There they are. They're done. I'm gonna hang them up so you can see what they look like hanging, and that'll be that. Alright, well, that completes this video. These were a lot of fun. I learned a few new techniques. I played around with pouring on things that weren't just canvas. And yeah, this was a lot of fun and informative for me. I learned a few things. I might have to go get more of these earring blanks and do some more paint pours on them. They were a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.